I'm going to do an impression for everybody. This is my impression of Kermit the Frog investigating a murder scene. And my buddy, the stool here, is going to play the victim. You guys ready? Here we go. Yeah, he's dead. Thank you. I hope you guys like impressions because that is all I'm going to be doing tonight. This next one is Arnold Schwarzenegger getting shocked by static electricity. Oh! Ouch! That hurt. I can do a Severus Snape, from Harry Potter, but this is Severus Snape teaching a class about gut health. Okay. Welcome, everyone, to Defense Against the Dog Farts. I thought about that. Thank you. You guys know David Attenborough? He's like the old British guy that does all of the nature documentaries, right? This is my impression of David, but instead of doing a nature documentary, he is commentating on a Provo Hinge date. We watch now as the young female named McKinley, spelled McKinleighighley, #3, scrolls through Hinge to find a date. She finds a match, and the male suitor has no name, but simply goes by business major. This becomes increasingly obvious when she meets him for the first time. Oh, hey. Market shares. We let him business majors. As McKinley prepares to go on the first date, she finds all of this behavior from business major to be very hot. And then she remembers the words of her father giving her dating advice. Now, McKinley, her father is Kronk from Endless. Now, McKinley, you're going to want to remember that whoever you go out with is going to respect you, okay? You don't want him to be a squeak, squeaking big squeaker. He decided to go out to Froyo. But alas, a problem arises. The person working the Froyo counter is none other than McKinley's American Heritage TA. Nobody likes them. Okay, so technically, the correct answer is strawberries and cream. Like that is a flavor, but the more correct answer is actually mangoes and cream. Does that make sense? That has to be an MLA format, by the way. As McKinley and business major enjoy their froyo, another couple, sitting just a few tables down, is breaking up. But that couple is King Julian and Mort from Madagascar. Mort, I think we need to talk.
I know, King Julian. I've been feeling it too.
We've just been drifting, you know? I don't think I feel the same way anymore.
You don't? I thought things were okay, King Julian. I thought we were fine.
This is astonishing behavior never seen before. And the microphone has gone out. That's okay. Oh, it's back. Okay. That was my impression of something going wrong during the back. As McKinley, and the microphone goes out again. As McKinley and business major leave the Froyo establishment, they're confronted by a drug dealer. But the drug dealer is Donald Trump. That's how I get it. Okay. Listen carefully. Excuse me. You want to buy some crack? It's really good crack, by the way, made in the U.S. It'll knock your socks off. I've got crack for you, for your mother, for your cat, by the way. Probably didn't know that. A lot of people say that. As the date comes to a close, we finish on the doorstep. McKinley, expecting a good night's kiss, fiddles with her keys, but suddenly a beam of light shines into the sky, a signal beckoning for help. As McKinley looks around, Business Major is gone, off to answer the call, because this entire time, Business Major is Batman. I'm not the hero Provo deserves. I'm the hero the market shares need. Thank you.